Hello Panthers, this week and next week we are learning about elements of story and we are talking about each element one by one, right? So the first element we talked about was plot, and today we are going to talk about the setting. What is setting? The setting is the environment or framework in which a story takes place. Where is the story taking place? When is it taking place? Sometimes in the story, it's written directly, like Monday morning, this is happening. So you get to know, okay, setting is it's a morning time and it's happening on Monday. But at times, it's not written directly, it's indirectly written. For example, once upon a time, Johnny was shivering. So when you see that shivering, it comes to your mind, maybe it's a cold season, right? At that time, we have to make that smart inference to understand the setting of the story, that where is it happening, what time period it is. So if in a story, the setting is not written directly, indirectly you have to make that smart inference, okay? So let's break it down. Setting has 4 important elements. So let's write those down. Setting has 4 elements, okay? We will talk about those elements briefly. Okay, so there are 4 elements, and remember we are talking about setting. So the 4 elements are when, and when I say when, pause and think about it. What does that when means? When does the story take place? Okay, when is it happening? That might be a setting. And then what time of the day? Third one, what time of the year? Which year is it happening? And it's explicitly stand for the stories happen in the past, historical stories, right? What time period or era, okay? So if you are junior high, the stories you will read, maybe the setting is not written clearly, so you will question yourself why reading the story. Okay, the 4 elements of story, now I need to think what might be the setting, because it's not written directly, okay? So the novels you guys are going to read, in some of the novels the time period is written, other might not. So you have to make those inferences. So the 4 elements of story to identify the setting, to identify where the story is taking place, when is the story taking place. 4 elements are: when does the story take place, what time of the day, what time of the year, what time period or era. Thank you very much. And the next element we are going to talk about is character. And also I forgot to tell you guys, after watching my lesson, we are going to listen to the vocabulary song, and we would be working on Khan Academy. and then I have planned an activity for you. So you make sure after watching my video, doing vocabulary, doing Khan Academy, you work on that activity and upload that activity on eBider. Thank you.